This is a simple bald fade tutorial right here. We definitely gotta shake him back. He ain't had a cut in a few months because of work, So I always start off balding my clients out with the wall clipper all the way closed. Gotta get it nice and clean. And I always follow up with my Andy's Outliners trimmers to get it extra bald. Comb the hair out, that's always necessary, every haircut. We're gonna start off with a 2 guard all the way closed with the grain, just to make it nice and smooth. And guys, go over it a couple times just to make sure you get all those little hairs, and you won't need to go back and trim it down. I like to do a lot of my detail work before the actual fade starts. So right here, I'm gonna trim his beard up. And take your time, man. Do it right. Now we're gonna use the wall Hi-viz trimmers and start on that lineup right there. I like to start in the middle and work my way to the outer edges. I feel like boxing it out before the haircut is necessary. It's like the blueprint to the whole haircut. Make sure your trimmers are 0 gap or you won't get these results. Line the back of that beard up, get those wild hairs from around his ear and neck and all that. I'm gonna hit it with that Tresemme holding spray. I don't use shave gels because I like to, let it dry out as soon as it's done, so I can go right back to cutting without it being all moist. Hold the skin tight and hold the razor at a slight angle so you won't cut the skin. Now we're gonna start off with the wall 5-star seniors, all the way open, no guard. Now we're gonna close the clippers and get that bottom line out of there. Now halfway to complete that bottom blend line. Don't be afraid to go over it and touch up areas you think, are not right. Now we're gonna use the one guard against the grain all the way open to set that first line. Now we're gonna close the guard and go against the grain for that bottom line with the same guard. As you can see, it doesn't take the line all the way out yet. That's why we're gonna switch to this zero guard right here. And then we're gonna hit that line again. We're gonna basically do the same steps, all the way open to all the way closed, and then halfway. Don't be afraid to go with the grain again, to smooth out the blend, whatever it takes to get the job done. Right here, we do a little raking. The guard's not all the way against the head. It's basically like just using it as a trimmer, And I like to use a little, freehand stuff, just to get the little dark areas. Don't be afraid to take that guard off, man. For real. You get some of your best blends without a guard. Go through and touch it up, man. You want it to look like it's airbrushed before you even add enhancements. And that's the finished cut, guys. Simple, man. Simple steps. It's not hard at all. Please subscribe to my channel, Mike Wells Faded. Okay?